In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Planner board. If you need to quickly give someone access to a planner board, Microsoft makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to grab the share link directly from the plan so you can send it to the right people. This is useful when you're collaborating with teammates, managing project tasks, or making sure others can easily open the same plan you're working in. To begin, make sure you already have the Microsoft Planner board open on your screen. Once you're inside the correct plan, look toward the top area of the page for the share option. Go ahead and click share. This opens the sharing menu for the plan and gives you access to the link you can distribute. When you click share, you're essentially telling Planner that you want to create or access a direct way for others to open this board. This is the easiest method if you don't want to manually guide someone through finding the plan themselves. It saves time and helps reduce confusion, especially if your team is working across multiple boards. After the sharing menu appears, look for the option labeled Copy Link to Plan. Click that option. As soon as you do, Microsoft Planner copies the board link to your clipboard, which means it's now ready to paste wherever you need it. At this point, you can paste the link into an email, a chat message, a Teams conversation, or any other place where you normally communicate with your team. Just keep in mind that copying the link does not automatically change anyone's permissions. The people you share it with will still need the appropriate access to open the plan successfully. So if someone can't view the board, you may need to make sure they've already been added to the relevant group or plan. A helpful tip here is to double check that you're sharing the correct planner board before sending the link, especially if you manage several plans at once. It's also a good idea to test the link yourself by pasting it into a note or message, just to confirm you copied the right one. And that's it. To share a Microsoft Planner board, simply click Share, then click Copy Link to Plan and send that copied link to the people who need access. It's a fast and reliable way to help your team get to the right board without any extra back and forth.